Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
It's mid-April and spring flowers are just starting to appear. Yet, it's still more than a month before I can start planting my hot peppers outdoors here in Minneapolis. But I'm already starting to gather the supplies I'll need for growing this year's crop. My previous video was about small seedling grow bags, but today I've got something much larger to show you. These VIPARSPECTRA Fabric Grow Bags will be joining our collection of growing containers for this year's crop. My VIPARSPECTRA P600 and XS1000 grow lights have been doing a really good job, so when I noticed the same company is also marketing fabric pots, I really wanted to try them out. I asked, and the VIPARSPECTRA folks were nice enough to send me some samples. I've got them in 4 sizes, 3, 5, 7, and 10 gallon. They're much more affordable than any type of hard-sided pots. Another big advantage of fabric bags over plastic, clay, or ceramic pots is that they're very lightweight and can be folded for off-season storage. These bags come in packs of 10. When folded, 40 bags can fit on this small 18 by 24 inch table. That's amazingly space efficient. The bags are made of a breathable, felt-like material and have handles for easy carrying. They're washable, reusable, and can be used indoors or out. I've filled this 3-gallon bag with potting mix so you can see how sturdy they are when in use growing plants. They're also space efficient, as this grow bag holds the same amount of soil as this plastic pot. Because the plastic pot is tapered for stacking, it takes up a lot more room. Now, this is not my first year using fabric pots. Last year, I grew 40 plants in 7-gallon bags from Bootstrap Farmer, very similar in materials and construction to the VIPARSPECTRA bags. They worked really well, and the only problem was when a very naughty squirrel chewed a small hole in the side of one of the bags. That's easily patchable, so all 40 of these bags will be cleaned and reused this year, and hopefully for years to come. The darker colored bags did fade some after a season in the sun, so I'll be interested to see if the black VIPARSPECTRA bags experience any fading. So I've established that grow bags are inexpensive and easy to store, but before you buy a bundle of black bags, you'd better believe they're a better abode for burgeoning baby pod producers. Conventional plant pots are made of solid materials like plastic, clay, ceramic, or wood. If you pick up a pot and see roots poking through the drainage holes, the plant may be root bound. When the roots reach the edge of the pot and can't grow any farther, they tend to circle around the root ball. They can even eventually choke the plant, although that's unlikely to happen to a pepper plant grown as an annual. We did once have a young maple tree in our front yard that died an early death because its roots were bound this way. Fabric pots allow air pruning. Air pruning is a natural process where root tips dry out and stop growing when they come into contact with air. Grow bags allow air to move through the fabric, facilitating air pruning all around all sides of the bag. Air pruning stimulates the plant to grow more and more roots, creating a healthy plant with a dense root system, eager to soak up water and nutrients. It seems to be a common belief that fabric grow bags dry out more than pots, thus requiring constant watering. I didn't really experience that last year, so I'm wondering if the dense root system helps them retain water. I do always soak the sides of the bags when I water, so that may help. One note, I've found that it's important to make sure you're completely filling the bag with potting mix when you plant. You can't just dump the soil in like you might into a solid pot. In a soft-sided bag, you have to pack it down or you may not fully fill the bag. Just a guess on my part, but too much air passing through a loosely packed bag may cause the soil to dry out quickly. Last year, my first year using bags, I was very pleased with the size of the plants and how many pods they produced. But I didn't do any kind of comparison test. This year, I'll do a test between a 3-gallon plastic pot and a 3-gallon grow bag. I'll transplant a similar seedling into each container. Then I'll place them next to each other in the garden and compare results over the course of the growing season. To summarize, I think fabric grow bags are a cost-effective, easy to store, and high-yield way to grow your hot pepper plants. If you'd like to try these bags, I'll provide Amazon affiliate links in the video description. I want to thank Ben Bicelli from Oceanside, California, who custom tie-dyed this 7 Pot Club Hot Sauce Addict shirt. It looks amazing. I'm kind of swimming in it because it's a large and I usually wear a small. So I like to think of it as a smock. Ben grows hot peppers and ferments hot sauce. He goes by the name
Sustainably Braised
on Instagram, so please check him out when you have the chance. He also sent me some tiny travel-sized sauce bottles and stickers advertising his Phantasma hot sauce. Thanks, Ben. If you enjoy our content, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell to be notified when we post new episodes. Check out all our 7-Pot Club logo and hot pepper related apparel and other merch at 7pot.club/merch. Sadly, this tie-dyed shirt is not available. If you'd like a free 7-Pot Club membership card and stickers, get the details at 7pot.club/card. And for even more 7-Pot Club, follow our daily exploits on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. For 7-Pot Club, I'm Rob.